Hey, Mike McGroarty here from Mike's Backyard Nursery. We're right in the middle of it today. I'm putting a ball on, I got some Japanese maple trees that I did a bunch of them. I got two more to go. So what I do is I dig them early in the spring while they're dormant, and then I just heel them in. And then I put a ball on them about now. But because I dug them when they were dormant, it's not going to hurt them for me to pull them out because they weren't healed in. They're probably healed in maybe a month or so, I don't know, but not that long. They're perfectly fine. They're not going to wilt down. I'll get some water on them as soon as I'm done here. In pure redneck style, I'm using my manure wagon as a workbench. Actually, it's working out pretty good. And get it up here. Tie up the burlap and put a little shape to the ball. And I use a hog wringer instead of pinning nails. Pinning nails were the old school method. But today I'm afraid that somebody's going to poke their finger and have a fit because they got poked with a nail. Years ago we didn't worry about such things, but today we do. These trees I probably had for, I don't know, pretty close to probably 5 to 7 years. I don't even know. After a while, you kind of lose track of time, how long things have been around here. It takes a while to grow them. We buy them small from, I got these off of the West Coast. There's a wholesale nursery out there. You know, I can buy them out there for probably 15 bucks a piece. They sell in our members area quite often for anywhere from 15 to 20 bucks. There were just some offered the other day. You don't see them very often. We've only got a few members that actually deal with them. But by doing this, the customers, they don't have to take the burlap off. They don't have to do anything with them. They can just plant them. So I have a pricing assistant over here. She's pricing them. Pam, say hi to everybody.
Hello.
It's on the ground over there. Read what? Oh, see, I can't be supervised. It doesn't work well. This one is green. I can't remember the name. We've lost the tag. I know it turns brilliant orange in the fall. I really wish I could remember the name. So Horace, if you happen to see this video, tell me what this is. I'll walk up here for you, Horace. I'll post this in the members area because I bought this from Horace. But I lost the tag and I don't know. Once he tells me, I'll be, oh yeah, that's it. But there are like 1,200 of these things. So 1,200 or about 1,100 different kinds of Japanese maples. So yeah. Hey Charlie, how are you?
Oh my God. It's feeding the donkeys.
Are you feeding the donkeys?
The donkey has been cooking it and she ate the rest.
They all do that.
So you're sharing cookies with the donkeys, huh? You're going to the swing, aren't you? So these are the maples that I did. I got 4 more to bring over here. So, all right, let's take another little tour here. All right, I'm gonna switch the camera around here. Okay, so if you remember earlier this year, not that long ago, if you go back in the videos, I was working on this container area. I put down all new ground cover cloth, and ow, how can you get hurt on a tripod? I just did. So we have stuff under the shade here. I'll look at the bench cards. We wouldn't have to go into here, but this is a Copper King Euchorella, Jack Frost Brunera, Palace Purple Coral Bells, Snow Angel Coral Bells. I'll show you the Snow Angel in the bed over there in a minute. But anyway, we've been busy. We pretty much got this area full. Got a little bit of a weird aisle here because we started on both sides because I wanted this aisle next to the shade. So nothing square around here. We don't try hard enough to make anything square. So this is that Snow Angel Coral Bells. They're in full bloom now. We're also doing, we're filling up this other container area. We'll walk over here. This is an X-berry azalea. I don't remember the exact variety, but it's orange in color. People see that and they're gonna go crazy over it, but I just don't have any of them. A friend of mine was doing them from cuttings, but they're not very easy. This is Big Daddy Hosta. Mini Skirt Hosta, Blue Mouse Ears Hosta. This giant right here is Blue Angel, and then that one over there is Humpback Whale. Another Island Breeze is this yellow one right here. So this is the container area that I just redid, put the drainage pipe in, and we are working feverishly to try and get it filled up because we're gonna start advertising soon, and we're gonna have people all over here trying to buy plants. It gets so crazy here. If you look back there, you can see our wagons. So we've got 7 of those big wagons and 5 of the smaller green wagons. And without a doubt, we run out of wagons pretty quickly when we're having a sale. So, and those 2 over there are doing absolutely no work whatsoever because that's their job. But anyway, I kind of think I covered it. This is what's going on. It's like May 15th or 16th here in 2025. So I'm going to put a link down below for our members area because you really need to watch that video and check it out, because you can buy all these plants that I'm showing you pretty darn cheap in the members area. So anyway, until next time, by any and all means, stay inspired.